Hey, in this section, I would try to explore that how we can use the different plugins which could automate the content creation using the Chat GPT or using the GPT-3 model, and directly it could be published over the WordPress as being the blogger as of now. I'm using the website over the WordPress and using the GeneratePress theme. So just let's try to explore that. So as you can see here, right now I'm using the one plugin. So basically, just by downloading that this plugin, that's work on the GPT-3 model. That's from OpenAI. We just need to do the quick settings, and basically we need to add the API key to integrate this particular plugin with the GPT-3. And just to get your API key, you can generate that key from here. For me, I have already tried to generate the maximum number of APIs key from here, and it's already integrated for me, so I don't need to do that, but you do that. And you can do the some more quick changes according to your use case, kind of how many number of headings you want to include into your content, or on particular article or blog, and you want to include add Q&A section as well. So you can do that, but I believe that's into the that's the one pro feature for this particular plugin. And what the TOC, title, table of content, you want to see, and the more some settings surrounded that. On the SEO side, you want to include the meta description, or these settings you can do. There is the one another again, one tool that you can use here to generate the featured image for you for every article. So basically it's again the OpenAI tool that generates the unique image for you relevant to your content as a featured image that you can use within your particular blog. And now to do the some more settings related to that you can explore, and there is the one how to use guide. You can go through that and check how effectively you can use this particular tool or the plugin. So once all the settings are done, let's try to explore that how quickly we can generate the content here. So now I'm just going to generate the content. I'm just providing the heading to this one. If you want to make any changes specific to this blog on the setting side, you can do that, and seems fine to me. And let me click on the generate button quickly. So it would go step by step. It would be generating the headings, content, intro, and then finishing the content and showing to you. Meantime, I just want to share the one thing that as of now, OpenAI is just providing the API keys to integrate with the GPT-3 model only, and we don't have the ChatGPT API keys available as of now to integrate with other tools or with other plugins. So we just need to wait for time being, and once these would be available, in the same way we can use the chat gpt integrations for our whatever, for the blogging purpose or for the other purpose. Okay, it's showing some error. Let me try to fix that. Let me refresh that. It would be taking bit time, some couple of seconds, and the content would be generated. But you would see that some tools just provide very limited options to generate the content every day. There are limits. So might be for some it's three, like the three articles you can generate in a day if you are using the basic version, or you are not using their pro feature. Okay, so you see almost done, and the content has been generated here. Let me save it to draft, and you see the content has been generated and been drafted now for you. Now just including whatever you want to include by doing the proofreading, by adding the more information. You just can make it ready to publish. So it's kind of some like that's the very quick way, that we don't need to go to the chat gpt and doing the prompts there, and then generating the content and then publishing on WordPress or something. So that's the one way that I try to explore, and I just try to use some time wherever it's required for me. So and now even on the config side, you can just tweak out the things for your use kind. If you want to make it as the heading for you, as you adding these all as the headings, and then just giving the appropriate shape for that's in line with your content, and just give the proofread to the content and just publish that. Okay, apart from that, that is the one tool that I'm using right now, but there are the lot of others, the same kind of plugins you can try to find out uh, from the already available plugins. So you can just explore these plugins and just see that which is providing the more required information to you according to your use cases. There are the lot of plugins which you could try. So that was something I wanted to share with you in this section. Thank you.